Hello everyone, I'm Farzana from 3rd BC. Today I've come up with an interesting topic which is an essential part in our daily life, that is mobile operating systems. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet or any wearable device, mobile operating systems are what makes these devices function, communicate, work and play seamlessly. Without further ado, let's start. It manages the device hardware, provides user interface, and it also allows the apps to function smoothly. Essentially, it's the backbone of your device, determining how the phone interacts with you or you interact with your phone. Mobile operating systems are specifically designed for smaller form factor, meaning they focus on touch-based interfaces, efficient power usage, with optimized performance with limited hardware resources. Types of mobile operating systems. The Android OS is the most common mobile operating system. Furthermore, Google is the developer of Android. Moreover, it's an open source and free operating system. This OS is based on the Linux kernel. The name for every new version of update is based on desserts. For example, Oreo, Cupcake, Donut, Eclair, KitKat, etc. Apple iOS. After Android, this Apple iOS is the most popular OS. It is designed to run on Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad, tablets, etc. Android devices have the Play Store for downloading the apps. Likewise, the Apple iOS also contains Apple Store, which is used to download apps. Also, it has very strong security features. Apple iOS is a closed source Windows mobile operating system. The developer of this OS is Microsoft. It is basically designed for pocket PCs and smartphones. Moreover, it has the features of computer-based OS and additional features for mobile phones. Then we have Beta operating system. Samsung is the launcher of this operating system. It came into market in 2010. It includes features like 3D graphics, application, installation, multi-point touch, etc. BlackBerry operating system. The developer of this operating system is Research in Motion, that is RIM. It was specifically designed for BlackBerry devices. Furthermore, it is useful for corporate users. Symbian operating system. Symbian Limited is the developer of this operating system. Nokia was the first to use this OS in mobile phones. It provides high-level integration and communication. This OS is based on Java language. Key features of mobile operating systems. First one, user interface. The mobile operating systems are easy to use. The graphics are very attractive, the buttons and the features are not very complicated. The features are also more powerful and useful. Application management. An app is one of the basic part of an OS. The ability to install, manage, and update applications from app stores are very useful. Connectivity. Mobile operating systems supports Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, and other network technologies. Security is one of the key important features of mobile operating system. These operating systems protect the user data and the device from unauthorized access and from malware attacks. Components of mobile operating systems. Kernel. Kernel is the core or heart of an OS. It contains all the operations and functions managing the work of OS. Process execution. OS executes various processes so that the statements will execute and the application program to the hardware. Whenever a process executes, it uses the memory space and other resources as well. Interrupt. Interrupts are basically used by the hardware devices to communicate with the CPU. It is basically a signal which the device generates to request the CPU. Whenever an interrupt occurs, the CPU will temporarily stops executing its current process. Memory management. It is the management of the main memory or the primary memory. Whatever program has to be executed, that should be stored in the main memory. Therefore, there can be more than one program present at a time. Hence, it is required to manage the memory. Multitasking. Multitasking is performing more than one task at a time. The operating system allows the user to work with more than one process without any problem. Security. The OS keeps the system and programs safe and secure through authentication. An ID and password decides the authenticity of the user interface. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. As the name suggests, it provides a graphical interface for the user to interact with the computer. It uses icons, menus, etc. The user can easily communicate by just clicking these items. Android versus iOS. Android is an open source OS and iOS is a closed source OS. Android has Linux based kernel and iOS has hybrid kernel. Customization is high in Android, customization is limited in iOS. App ecosystem. Android has larger app selection, iOS has more curated app store. Hardware capability. Android has a wide range of devices, iOS are exclusively on Apple devices. Emerging trends in mobile operating system. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence integration is transforming mobile operating systems by enabling personalized experiences and predictive capabilities. IoT, that is Internet of Things. Mobile operating systems are increasingly supporting communication with and control of smart devices. 5G connectivity. The rollout of 5G networks is driving advancements in mobile operating systems to handle faster data speeds and lower latency. Augmented reality (AR). Mobile operating systems are evolving to support immersive AR experiences, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. To wrap things up, mobile operating systems are an integral part of the mobile experience, influencing from the device's performance to the security features and the apps it can run. Android and iOS are the dominant players, each with its own strengths and weakness. But one thing is clear: mobile operating systems will continue to evolve and shape the future of technology in fascinating ways. Thank you.